He is Joshua. Last year, he was working a 9-to-5 job he didn't particularly enjoy, making just enough to get by in his small apartment on the outskirts of the city, which he was sharing with roommates. Today, he's earning $9,869 per month working from his laptop, using AI tools that didn't even exist 2 years ago. And he isn't even some tech genius or coding wizard. He's just someone who decided to learn how to use AI tools effectively. If you want to be like Joshua, I'll show you how he did it, how he left that terrible job he hated, how he now earns almost $10,000 a month, and how he's living a much happier life than before. Using AI tools. The first way to start a business with artificial intelligence would be by creating a virtual influencer. You've probably heard of Aitana, right? This AI-generated influencer who gained over 340,000 followers on Instagram in just a few months. Although Aitana isn't the only one, more and more virtual influencers are emerging. So you could create one too. Creating a virtual influencer is relatively simple. Use Midjourney and Stable Diffusion XL. In my opinion, these are the best tools to get started. Right now, the content you can create will mainly be images, but that's okay. The key is to consistently produce a lot of images and keep building content. Over time, this can really pay off. So how can you make money from it? You could add an affiliate link in your Instagram bio, get a sponsor to pay you for a story or a short video, or even drive the traffic you generate to another platform. Take Aitana, for example. She doesn't just post on Instagram. She also uses a platform called Fanvui, which is similar to OF, and it helps her earn a lot more. The great thing is that starting a virtual influencer doesn't cost much. You'd only need to pay for something like a midjourney subscription if you choose to use it. Or you could even use Stable Diffusion XL for free. What you'll need more than anything is time and consistency to keep uploading content, because this is definitely a long-term project. But this venture alone could bring at least $1,800 per month through sponsored posts and affiliate marketing. Second way to start a business is with website creation. You see, right now, some local businesses in your area might be struggling with their online presence. Many probably had outdated websites or no websites at all. And guess who can fix this? You, of course. Don't know anything about coding? No problem. With Hostinger's AI website builder, you start by selecting your business type, and the AI automatically generates a complete website structure. The tool understands context and user intent. Want to create a portfolio website? It knows exactly what sections you need, what kind of content to include, and even suggests the right layout for showcasing your work. Need an e-commerce site? It automatically includes product galleries, shopping cart functionality, and payment processing integration. With this one, you could create professional-looking websites in literally hours, not weeks. The tool automatically generates layouts, suggests content, and even helps with SEO. If you start charging $500 per website plus a monthly maintenance fee of $100 with just 5 regular clients, do the math, that's another $2,500 per month. Now, on to the third way to generate income with AI tools. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular, right? But the new chatbots that are really worth it are the ones that use GPT or ChatGPT in the background. You can put these on websites, create them for social media, or even for WhatsApp, with the goal of increasing sales or generating leads. Think of it like having an automatic customer service representative that collects information like phone numbers and emails. Let me show you the potential of this. Imagine your client has a website selling an info product. A chatbot could help answer visitors' questions instantly, instead of having them leave the site with unanswered questions. The chances of making a sale are much higher when someone can get their questions answered right away. For creating these chatbots, I particularly recommend tools like VoiceFlow or ManyChat. With the right clients and setup, building and maintaining chatbots could bring in about $1,500 a month. And speaking of GPT, there's another way to start a business with it: creating a GPT. A GPT is a customized version of ChatGPT designed for a specific use you need. For instance, you could create one for learning how to code, another for a role-playing game, or even one to help with studying. To make your own GPT, you'll need the paid version of ChatGPT. Once you have it, you can access the Explore GPTs section from the sidebar. From there, you can check out all the existing ones. And if you want to create your own, just click Create GPT at the top right. These GPTs can be monetized in a few ways. OpenAI pays based on the number of times your GPT is used, so the more people use it, the more you can earn. There's also a website called GPT Hunter, where you can see all the GPTs that have been created so far, along with the usage statistics. This can give you ideas about which ones are popular and in demand. Now, the beautiful thing about custom GPTs is that they can be monetized based on usage, potentially making about $1,200 per month from user interactions. The fifth way to start a business with artificial intelligence is by creating images and selling them on platforms like Fiverr or Facebook Marketplace. Fiverr, in particular, is a great option because it's a marketplace where you can sell or buy all kinds of services. They have everything from art and marketing to writing and programming. Recently, they even added a new category called AI artists, which is perfect for this. For example, people are offering services like creating children's book illustrations using Stable Diffusion for around $30, making professional portraits or profile pictures for $15, or creating custom art starting at $108. There's a lot of variety, so the best approach is to offer different types of image services. You could focus on portraits, album covers, anime-style characters, or even face swaps. As you go, you can figure out which style works best for you and start specializing in that area. And beyond just creating images, you can also offer services related to image manipulation, like restoring old photos or adding color to black and white ones. Tools like Hotpot or Colorize.com make this super easy because they have features that let you restore or colorize photos quickly. It's a great way to expand what you offer and stand out in the market. If you do this the right way, that means the right marketing for yourself and all, you could make around $1,200 a month by creating and selling AI-generated images. Another great way to start a business with AI is by helping content creators translate their videos into other languages. The idea is simple. You pitch the idea of starting a second channel where they upload their videos dubbed into a new language so they can reach a bigger audience. And with the right tools, it's pretty easy to do. Here's how it could work. If the creator sends you their script in Spanish, for example, you could use ChatGPT to translate it into English. Once you have the translation, you can use a tool like 11 Labs to generate the audio. You just pick a voice, paste in the text, and let it do the work. This is perfect for podcasts or channels where the creator doesn't show their face, since 11 Labs focuses on audio only. But if the videos show the creator talking, you'll need a tool that handles both audio and video to keep the lip sync aligned. Tools like Hagen or Rask AI are great for this because they adjust the translated audio to match the creator's mouth movements. That way, the video looks and sounds natural, and nothing feels out of place. To get started, you could reach out to creators individually and offer this service. Or you could list yourself on Fiverr as a video translator and use these AI tools to make the process super smooth. It's a win-win. You help creators grow their audience, and you build a solid business in the process. How much could you make if you focus on this? Let's say around $1,100 per month. Another interesting way to make money with AI is by selling prompts. If you're already skilled with AI tools like ChatGPT or even midjourney, you can create and sell specialized prompts that help people get the results they want. For example, if you're an expert in marketing, you could sell ChatGPT prompts that help create persuasive sales copy or marketing texts. Or, if you're into design, you could sell prompts for midjourney that generate specific types of images like ultra-realistic art or certain artistic styles. The more specific and useful your prompts are, the more valuable they become. You can sell these prompts directly on your own website, but if you want an easier option, platforms like PromptBase are perfect. They offer a marketplace where you can upload your prompts and sell them to a wider audience. Users can browse, purchase, and download your prompts. And you get paid each time someone buys one. And this is more a passive income approach. So I would say that you're earning about $600 per month with this one. And that's it. Adding all these income streams together, you can see how Joshua reached that $9,869 monthly income. The tools we have in 2025 are making it possible for anyone to become a creator, an entrepreneur, or a digital service provider. If you know all these tools and take full advantage of them, there's no limit to what you can accomplish. So, are you ready to be happier in 2025? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more opportunities to increase your income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.